In this one, we will learn how to add rich snippets and ratings in your Google search results. We will do that by using schema and structured data plugin. Here's how it looks like. In the search results, it will show the ratings, right? Now to use that, we have got this plugin installed over here. Now there are two key aspects to this. One is to show the review on the page, and the second is to have the JSON code available. So the easiest way to do that is using this plugin, and we will first head over to the review section. Now once we are here, I've got two reviews added already. We'll just add another one, and okay, I'll just add the image. I guess I wish I had a better image, but the rating would be 5, review date would be 2nd of Jan. This is the so we got to select the source from where we actually got the review. 99% of the times it's either on one of the review websites where you get the reviews. So we've got all this listed here, and just select Google for now and publish. So if you see in the review section, we've got 3 reviews now, right? Pardon for this duplicate photo here. And now we actually got to display these reviews. So we've got this review in the back end. Now we will show them in the front end. So add new collection, test collection or group, review source. I've got 2 of them from the Google and 1 from Airbnb. It's just I've selected that. So we got 3 reviews. All of these are here now. And presentation, how would you like them to appear in the front end? Gallery, right? Or badge. This is badge. This is like a pop-up, and this is FOMO. And I'll just go with the good old grid, and we'll select 3. We don't need pagination. Filter the most highest rating first, right? And display. Now we can automatically display like this, but we'll use shortcode. So I've copied this, save. Now we will paste this shortcode on the page where we want the reviews to appear. For me, I want it to appear on services page. So I'll just drop the shortcode here, update, and view page. Now you see I've got the reviews. Now layout is such that it does not fit properly. In that case, we will just make it 2. Now you see you don't have to actually paste the shortcode again. It just takes all the settings from that collection automatically. So we got these 3 reviews now. Now the last step is to validate this and see whether there are any errors on the page or not. So we are going to use 2 tools for this. One is rich snippets testing tool, and the second one is structured data testing tool. Let's go with the first one, rich result test, and we will also do it because I love this tool. So let's paste the URL. and done as well. Now hold tight and wait for the results. So obviously see no errors, no warnings, which means whatever data we are putting in, it's valid. Now the rich snippet data is inside the organization schema and it will automatically pick as per the page, and see the page is eligible for rich results, and here you can see the review snippets as well. So that's it guys, that's how you do it. And if you want more important information videos like this, just let me know in the comments and I would be happy to help you. Bye bye.